Hi everybody, I got a special delivery today, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing video, my first ever unboxing video, because there's something really special in this box. Let's check it out. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, there it is. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy because there's so much helping in here. I'm trying to do this while holding. There, we got it. Here it is. Oh man, look at this beautiful thing. Oh, look at that. I'm going to take off this plastic cover and turn some pages for you. Look how beautiful this thing is. Oh man, Julie did an amazing job. Look at that. Let me give you a little look. Oh, climate cafes. Circular economy. Look at these pages, they're beautiful. Okay. Care-based co-housing. On and on. Wow. So there you have it. Amazing. Look at the beautiful colors. Look at the images. The helping modalities. Look at it. Wow. So exciting. Anyway, that's your sneak peek. I'm beyond excited. This is amazing. Look at this work of art. Look at that. So beautiful. Anyway, if you are a contributor or if you want to order it, you can pre-order now on Thick Press. Contributors, you'll get your copies in October. So they're coming and they're beautiful. And you'll get one soon enough. So that was my unboxing video. I'm just really excited. Wow.